So hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment consumer behavior week 0 assignment 0. So the first question is the consumer follow 5 steps of adopting a new product. These 5 steps are awareness, promotion, evaluation, trial, adoption. True or false? So the answer of our first question is false. And now let's go to our question number 2. Cognition is an affective mental state of a consumer. True or false? So the answer of our second question is false. And now let's go to our question number 3. Consumer behavior analyzes the process through which individuals, groups, or organizations select, secure, use, and dispose of products, services, experiences, or ideas to fulfill their needs. True or false? So, the answer of our third question is true. And now let's go to our question number 4. Lifestyle characterizes how a consumer lives. Example: the products he she purchases, the way he she uses them, what he she feels about them. True or false? So the answer of our fourth question is true. And now let's go to our question number 5. Low involvement decisions involve very little effort or thought on the part of the consumer. True or false? So the answer of our fifth question is true. And now let's go to our question number 6. The difference between the benefits derived from a product and the costs of obtaining the same is known as price. True or false? So the answer of our sixth question is false. And now let's go to our question number 7. Targeting is the process of grouping customers with similar needs sets with respect to a particular product. True or false? So the answer of our seventh question is false. And now let's go to our question number 8. Learning is the process by which people select, organize, and interpret sensory stimulation, sounds, visions, smell, and touch received from the world. True or false? So, the answer of our eighth question is false. And now let's go to our question number 9. Situation analysis is the third stage in the purchase decision process. True or false? So, the answer of our ninth question is false. And now let's go to our question number 10. A consumer's culture and his her family are the external influence on his her behavior. True or false? So the answer of our 10th question is A. True. Now submit your answer. So friends, if you want more assignment answer in future, so you have to do one thing. You have to subscribe our channel. So thank you friends for watching our video.